a little part of the backdating process has been to take the locomotives. The last time trackside modelers saw this was a BNSF, I forget what number it was. So the patch job, the patches, the BNSF patches were removed, and it's back to its original Santa Fe number. Also backdated by getting rid of the rooftop air conditioner. This is 1992, and pictures of Jeep 30s in 92 had the amber light, but not the air conditioning, and changed the air horns a little bit. So it's kind of fun to look at prototype pictures from the year you're working in, and the same process has happened to most of the Santa Fe engines you will see today, along with the set of BN power that happens to be in the roundhouse. I've had fun because we're going back to 92. Everybody's favorite color scheme, the Pepsi Can. So these are just out of the box Walther's P32 General Electrics, but I've ridden a lot of miles behind them and a few miles in them on cab rides and have an identity with them. Another thing I've had a lot of fun with, of course, we're getting back to loads and empties. This is a loaded drill steel if it's going west. It's an empty gon going east. And we do the same thing with Caterpillar loaders and plates of steel and bundled up lumber loads. So I've tried to have a little fun making some sense of loads going one way and empties going the other.